The 2024 Volkswagen Atlas CS 2.0 TSE boasts a sleek and sophisticated exterior. Its bold lines and muscular stance give it a commanding presence on the road. Standard features like LED headlights and taillights enhance visibility and style. Upgraded wheel options and available exterior accents allow for personalization to match individual tastes. Volkswagen prioritizes safety, and the Atlas CS is no exception. The SE trim includes a suite of advanced driver assistance systems designed to prevent accidents and protect occupants. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking provide added peace of mind. Equipped with a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine, the Atlas CS 2.0 TSE delivers a spirited performance. The engine provides ample power for both city driving and highway cruising. While it may not be a sports car, it offers a comfortable and confident ride. The Atlas CS excels in passenger comfort, especially in the back. The second-row seats offer ample legroom and reclining options, ensuring a pleasant journey for adults. The third row is suitable for children or smaller adults for shorter trips. With various seating configurations, the Atlas accommodates different passenger needs. The Atlas SE offers a range of convenience features to simplify daily life. Keyless entry, push-button start, and a power liftgate are just a few examples. The spacious cargo area accommodates various items, making it suitable for both everyday errands and weekend adventures. The interior of the Atlas SE is characterized by a blend of comfort and technology. The cabin feels spacious and well-appointed, with quality materials and thoughtful design. The driver-focused cockpit provides easy access to controls, while the available panoramic sunroof adds an airy feel. The Atlas SE comes equipped with a user-friendly infotainment system featuring a touchscreen display. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility ensure seamless smartphone integration. Additional tech features like wireless charging and available premium audio systems enhance the driving experience. The 2024 Volkswagen Atlas SE is a well-rounded SUV that caters to families and individuals seeking a comfortable and versatile vehicle. With its impressive blend of performance, technology, safety, and convenience, the Atlas delivers a satisfying ownership experience. Experience the difference. The 2024 Atlas presented by Berge Volkswagen. You can view our selection at bergevw.com or give us a call at 480-646-4858.